What's up everyone, Alec here with Dherbs. Today I'm going to be falling in front of people and the first person to help me out is going to get $100. Let's get to it.
Oh, yeah, I'm all right. Yeah.
Do you need any help?
I'm okay.
Did you hurt your arm?
I'm doing all right. Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What happened?
Thank you so much. Oh, I think I just running and slipped. I appreciate you though, yeah.
Oh.
No, it's all good, thank you. I actually want to let you guys know, we're filming a show for Dherbs, and we're going to see if people are going to be kind enough to take the time, if I fall in front of them, to check up on me and see if everything's all right.
Oh my God.
I know. So we did it all for the bit. Got Rashid over there filming. And so we want to reward people's kindness by giving them $100.
Oh, you scared me so much.
Oh no. Oh, I appreciate, even just the kindness.
You scared me.
Well, thank you guys so much.
Are
Yeah,
you
thank
okay,
you.
though?
Yeah, I'm totally fine. I do have one quick question. So in that moment, why would you choose to walk over and make sure I'm all right, or?
I mean, you just fell. Yeah,
It's like
of course.
really it's very hard.
Yeah, I was just gonna tell you, okay, let's eat. Maybe we can take care of you. We have this to wrap your arm or something.
Oh, well, thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. You scared me.